Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. In today's lesson, we'll break down exactly what Excel is and why it's actually a super useful tool in everyday life. Okay, let's start simple. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program made by Microsoft. It helps you organize information, do maths automatically, and make sense of numbers, lists, and schedules. Think of it like a smart version of a notebook, but it can add up things, sort your info, track trends, and make everything look neat and professional. Here are just a few real-life ways people use Excel every day. Budgeting. Track your income and expenses. Excel will do the maths for you. Lists. Shopping lists, guest lists, to-do lists. Excel helps you sort and organize it all. Schedules. Plan your week, track your workouts, or even manage a small project. If it involves information and you want to stay organized, Excel can help. So what's the big difference between Excel and just writing things down on paper? With Excel, you can fix mistakes instantly, copy and move data, and even get totals and reminders automatically. No calculator needed. It's like giving your paper lists superpowers. When you open Excel, here's what you'll see. So we've got the grid. This is made up of rows and columns. Each box is a cell. This is where you enter your data. The ribbon up here, you'll find tools for formatting, formulas and charts, kind of like a control panel. And then you have sheets, which is down here. You can have multiple pages in the same file, like tabs in a notebook. So now you know, Excel isn't just a confusing grid. It's actually a powerful tool that can help you take control of your time, money, and tasks. And if you want to try something simple today, just open Excel and give this a go. Click into cell A1 and type My First List. Then underneath, add 4 things you want to keep track of. This could be shopping, jobs you want to apply for, or even your pets' names. Nothing fancy, you're just getting used to the space. Okay everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.